Let me introduce today's speaker, Ashish Khyal. He is the founder and director of Waves Strategy Advisor Private Limited. He is a chartered market technician, MBA, and also did his Bachelor of Engineering from Mumbai University. He has a vast experience in capital markets and has worked with leading investment banks like Lehman Brothers and Noma Holdings within capital markets divisions. He is also a frequent speaker on business channels like CNBC TV 18, Z Business, and has been interviewed by Dukascopy Business Swiss business channel on Indian economy. He publishes research on global markets, commodity and forex markets using orthodox as well as advanced technical tools like Elevate Waves analysis and time cycles. With all the respect from our Atma team and Atma members, I would like to call upon Mr. Ashish Khyal to conduct the educational meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohit, for the kind introduction, and thanks, Sushil, for keeping Atma going and kicking absolutely perfectly great. I'll very quickly start. Okay, I think the introduction is already given about myself, so I'll not waste time there. I'll very quickly start to, first of all, share my gratitude towards Market Technicians Association and ATMA for organizing such an event and giving such a platform to people like us to share across our knowledge with you all. And also, probably e-library is one of the best initiatives that I have found, because it has been very easy to probably borrow a book and very easily you can return it back. So that is also one of a very, very interesting initiatives by ATMA. So thanks again to ATMA for such a wonderful initiative and giving the platform. And before I start with what is Elliott Wave, I would like to understand from here how many of you are aware about Elliott Wave or are already practicing Elliott Wave. Okay, so there are a few people who are already aware about Elliott Wave, and I am sure the challenges that most of the Elliotticians face is to understand how to reduce the number of probable scenarios that you are given at any point of time, because with the passage of time and post 2008, each and every of the move in Indian markets have become very complex. I mean, you speak with anyone who has been tracking the market probably for a decade, the movement since 2008 has not been easy. In order to capture it from the trend perspective, in order to apply technical analysis, there is always a challenge which you will face, because the trend has drastically changed post 2008. Prior to 2003 to 2007, the cycle which was on the upside, there was a very, very strong uptrend which was intermittently corrected by a sharp reversal on downside, and then again the uptrend resumed. This time it is very different. This time you will not find a 3 years kind of a rally and then a correction, but you will find something like a rally which lasts only for 6 months or 6 days, and probably making much more money than I made. But you need to understand the risk of making money has increased drastically in the current scenario. The risk has increased drastically. So what we are going to do today is, for the benefit of everyone, I will be talking about not only the advanced concepts of Elliott Wave, I will be talking about the basic concepts as well, but I will be rushing through those basic concepts. Since we do not have the privilege of time, there is only maybe around 2.5 or 3 hours for me to talk on Elliott Waves, and this is the subject which I am very much passionate about. I can speak, if you ask me at midnight, I can talk about which waves we are traveling into, which waves Indian markets or probably global markets are, and various things. So I'll now very quickly start with the various topics that covers Elliott Wave. In a brief way is the basic pattern, the extensions, truncation. I'll try to take up each of the topic, but very, very briefly. Please pardon me if I rush through this subject, because we do not have much of the time, and I'll try to focus more on the advanced concept as and when we dwell into the corrections part. Okay, so Elliott Wave, is something which is a subject of technical analysis and was found by Mr. R.N. Elliott in 1930s, and he discovered that the market movements are not random, but they move in some kind of a pattern, and these patterns are predictable. So at any point of time, markets are forming some kind of a pattern as per Elliott wave. Now, Elliott wave might sound to some people like a hocus pocus where you just count something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The reason being, there are people who just start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and correction ABC without applying the rules. So that is the problem. And the other challenge is when you use only the basic Elliott wave concept, there are different possibilities that are open at any point of time, which makes trading very difficult. And when there are, even if you apply the advanced concepts, there are times when you have to use some other indicators, you have to use basic technical indicators like channels, trend lines, Dow theory in order to understand the trend of the market. I mean, if I ask someone about channels, how many of you use channels very rigorously in your trading? If you can yourself see, there are less than 50% of the people who are using the most basic concept of technical analysis, which is channel. Elliott wave, and I actually practice Neo wave, which is an advanced part of Elliott wave. Neo wave has been developed by Mr. Glenn Neely. What he suggested that only by applying 3 rules of Elliott wave, you will not be getting too much of objectivity. You have to apply different rules on Elliott wave in order to be very much objective and come up with a scientific study of technical analysis. In order to define an impulse wave, Mr. Glenn Neely defined more than 15 different rules to define an impulse wave. In an orthodox Elliott wave, with all due respect, we have only 3 rules, but because of the complexity of the current market scenario, it becomes extremely challenging to apply only those 3 rules and be sure, okay, this should be the top or this should be the low. That is the challenge. And probably I'll be discussing a few of the important aspects of those Elliott wave concepts or advanced Elliott wave concepts, which will help us to reduce the number of subjectivity and which will help us to reduce the number of scenarios and say, okay, probably yes, this should be the top. Okay? At any point of time, if you have any doubts, any queries, please feel free to ask me there itself, because if you do not understand what I'm going to do now, at the beginning, you will not be able to understand what is going to happen probably in the corrections part. How many of you here understand the concept of Fibonacci? How many of you apply Fibonacci theory, retracement of projections? Someone who knows Elliott wave and probably not applying Fibonacci is probably not doing Elliott wave, because Fibonacci forms a very, very integral part of Elliott wave. There are 2 important factors that define Elliott wave. One is the fractal nature and one is the Fibonacci.